It's Sunday night, and I had the kids all day Saturday and most of the day today on Sunday. The parents came and we all swam for a little bit. The kids and I actually have been talking about building a tree house. We took the very first step today on starting to build a tree house. We cleared a path through the woods to a tree that we've picked out. So that was a lot of fun, but it's Sunday night. I think it's a little after 7, and I'm still actually feeling like I have some energy. So I think what I'm going to do is just get started on the headliner. I bought a kit from Vancillary, so that should make it a lot easier. The kit includes a pattern that you can lay out on your plywood and cut the form that goes up above the passenger and driver's seat. They call that the headliner. And so there will be storage up there. And so I could actually use that form and just start to cut that out. So I'm going to take a look at that tonight and just get started on that. It's another small project that I can work on the side. So here's the template. And unfortunately, the width of the headliner is more than a 4-foot sheet. So you have to cut it the long way. But I'll definitely use all this scrap wood for something else. I save every piece of wood that I have here, you'll see, and I'll be using, I use pieces for things constantly. So it's not a loss, but this is a nice piece of wood, and I think I got half inch plywood is what I bought. So I'm going to get to cutting. Well, after cutting out the template, it says that you should actually install the brackets before you cut any of the wood. So I'm jumping right to step number 10, which says remove the coat hook cover by gently prying on the underside and pulling up on the plastic at the same time. Boy, there's not much to pry up underneath here, but let's give it a try. All right, so let's take a look at that. I'm going to get you in up close here. So that's just a hook, and this piece just slid onto it. So if you haven't done this before, like I haven't, that's what it looks like from the front. And now I'm assuming we remove that screw. That was actually really easy. All right, next step says we take the long bracket, and I believe we stick it back in here behind the plastic until the holes align, it says. And then we put the parts that we just took out back in. I don't want to snug it up too tight because we might have to do some adjusting, but I am going to put the coat hook back on because those are a bit sharp. All right, let's do the other side. Okay, next step is to remove this bolt, and then I think we put the short one in there. All the brackets are in now. So now I'm going to go cut the wood. All right, we are all cut out. Now is the moment of truth. I'm going to run it in and do a dry fit, but I've got my marking pencil because we know nothing ever fits the first time. Let's go. Wow, that's slick. Seems like it's pretty good. Just went right in. Nothing screwed down. Let me just see. Yeah, I mean, that's great. I think I'm going to take it out and sand it and then just screw it in because, man, it looks good. I don't feel like I need to cut anything else off. That's incredible. Nice. I love it.